decimal to hexadecimal. How a decimal is converted to hexadecimal, we will see now. So hexadecimal base is 16 and base of decimal is 10. The method you have followed in decimal to binary and decimal to octal conversion, the same method you need to follow in decimal to hexadecimal conversion. That is, you need to divide the decimal number with 16. Before taking an example, we will see how this decimal and hexadecimal numbers are represented in binary form. Now, hexadecimals are from 0 to F, that is total 16 symbols will be there, and for decimals are represented in between 0 to 9. Are from 0 to 9. It is represented in the binary with 4 bits. So 0 is represented in binary as 4 zeros. So hexadecimal also we will take down. So from 0 to 9, the hexadecimal is represented as decimal only. 0, 1, 2, 3, up till 9 it is in the decimal fashion only. So after 9, 10 is represented as A, 11 is B, and so on, C, D, E and F. So these are in decimal. 10, B is 11, C is 12, 13, 14, 15. So these decimal and hexadecimals are represented with 4 bits in binary. So that is 1 is 001, 2 is 0010, 3 0011, so on, taking the powers of 2. So if you take the powers of 2 and multiply with this, you will get values. This is how a decimal and hexadecimal are represented in binary. So now let us take an example. 569, how it is converted to hexadecimal. For that, the same procedure you have done for decimal to octal conversion. So divide the decimal with base of hexadecimal. So you will get a reminder, note down and repeat the process till where you can't divide it further. The first obtained remainder is LSB and the last one is MSB. Note down from MSB to LSB. So this is the hexadecimal equivalent of a decimal number 569. Hexadecimal to decimal conversion. So hexadecimal can be represented with 16 symbols, that is from 0 to 9 and A to F. So total 16. So its base is 16. So how hexadecimal is converted to decimal, we will see. So let us take an example. So I am taking an example A6. So this is an hexadecimal number. How it is converted to decimal, we will see. So for that, you need to take the powers of 16 as you have done in octal to decimal conversion and binary to decimal conversion. So take the powers of 16 from LSB to MSB and multiply with the corresponding numbers of the hexadecimal. So 16 power 0 into 6 plus 16 power 1 n is equals to 2. So powers increases from n minus 1, that is 1 into a. So 16 into a is 10 plus 16 power 0 is 1 into 6. So 160 plus 6 is 166. So hexadecimal A6 is converted to decimal in this way. So 166 is the decimal equivalent of the hexadecimal number A6. So any radix conversion to decimal is multiplied with the powers of its radix with the corresponding numbers present in that octal or hexadecimal or binary. In the next class, we will see any radix conversion to decimal. Hope you understood.